In this Microsoft Excel quick tip, I want to show you how to easily and quickly format your data using the F4 key. So here I have a monthly family budget, and let's say I'd like to make some changes in the formatting. Maybe I'd like this total projected cost to be in blue instead of black, so I can make that change. Now what if I want to make total actual cost also be blue and total difference be blue? I could just make that change manually, or I could use the Format Painter, or I could just click on D4 in this case and tap the F4 key. And it applies whatever format change I just made, whatever the previous format change was, it applies it to the current cell. I can also click on Total Difference and do the same thing. Let's look at another example. Here in the projected monthly income source area, I could click and drag to highlight a range of text. Maybe I want to make these bold. They're now bolded. And maybe I'll make these also bolded. So I select the range that I want to make bold and then tap the F4 key. And because my previous formatting change was to make the selected area bold, it does the same thing with the currently selected area. And this works with much more than just color and bold or not bold. It would work with italics, underline, the fill color, the font type, the font size, and more. You can also use the F4 key to repeat other things besides formatting. So for example, let's say I want to insert a row here. I could right-click on row 44 and choose Insert. That gives me another row. I could do that again, and I could even click and drag to select 44 and 45, let's say. Right-click, Insert. Now I'm inserting 2 rows at a time. But once you've done that one time, it's better to just tap F4. And notice what it's doing. Every time I tap F4, it's adding another 2 rows in this case to this part of my spreadsheet. So the F4 key is really about repeating whatever your last action was. It doesn't work for everything, but try it out. It'll save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, you can do that by clicking the Thanks button below the video, or by supporting me on Patreon or buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of Patreon, I want to give a quick shout out to my $5 Patreon supporters. Thank you so much for all you do to support the channel.